Do you need to create a logo for your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my process for creating your own logo. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Beautopedia. My name is Miss La, and on this channel, I talk about things in regards to beauty, business, and motivation. I do have three different brands, and within those three brands I created my own logo. And when I say create, meaning it was my original idea. I did like sketches of how I wanted it to go, and I used software that is available to you to help you do that process as well. So what I'm going to show you today, and I also do have a screencast recording of it as well, I'm going to show you what it's like to create your own logo. Before you jump into the creative process of creating a logo, you have to know your business purpose. And when I say business purpose, meaning what is your business about? What is its goal? Who are you targeting? Things of that nature. When you have clarity on exactly what type of business you have and what your goals are, then your thoughts and ideas to create a logo will flow a little bit more freer. So grab a pen and paper and jot down your ideas, like your business purpose, your business motto, your business mission, your tagline, whatever it is pertaining to your business. Jot that down before you start the logo creation process. Once you get your ideas down on paper, then the next thing to do is to look at other logos within your niche. So me, myself, pretty much everything revolves around beauty. So I did a Google search and I looked at different companies like MAC, Sephora, e.l.f., companies that are in the beauty space. So once I looked at those, I kind of knew what colors I wanted to go with, what theme and what feel I wanted my brands to convey. So after you figure out what your business purpose is and your mission, then start to look at other companies within your niche to see what their logos look like. And a good thing to do is to make a mood board. And when you do a mood board, it doesn't have to, you don't have to spend a lot. You can go like to the dollar store, get a poster board, get pictures, colors, fonts, things that you want to come across in your logo, and just put them on the board. And then when you have that, just put it up where you can look at it, and that will start to get your creative thoughts going for your logo and what you're trying to convey. When you're in the logo process, one thing I would suggest is to, whatever colors you're going to go with, look those colors up. Because different colors invoke a different mood. Like red to me signals strength and power, so I do use red in my Beautopedia logo. And then I also use gold. Gold to me symbolizes rich, symbolizes money, things like that. People would associate green, but when I think gold, I think about that. So look at whatever colors you're going to have within your logo. Look those colors up to see what type of feeling they would evoke. Because you would be surprised, like when I look at MAC, I think of like mysterious. So just make sure whatever colors you decide to go with, they kind of tie into the theme and what you want people to feel when they see your brand. Once you know your purpose, you've created a mood board, or you've got some type of ideas of what you want your logo to be, then comes the sketching part. And when I say sketching, meaning just kind of draw out, you don't have to be an amazing artist, but just draw out what you would like your logo to look like what type of fonts, what type of shapes you want to have in there. If you're going to have a mascot, what that mascot would look like. Get all those down on paper so you can put those up with your mood board, and then you can kind of visualize everything coming together. And if If you wonder what that noise was, that was my dog. He just brought this up. But anyway, like I said, you want to sketch those ideas out. So if you go with your mood board, and once again, when you see this whole process together, you can kind of start to envision what your logo is finally going to look like. Now that you have your sketches out from your head onto the paper, now it's time to narrow those down. If you have quite a few, I would narrow it down to like 2 or 3. Once you have those thoughts for those pieces of your logo narrowed down, then you want to research a logo designer. Now, I did do a video, and if I haven't posted it yet, then you can go back and look through my videos to see that. But if I did already post up the video about using Fiverr, I will leave a link in the description box, because Fiverr is a good place for you to find a logo designer. So what you want to do is, if you use Fiverr, you want to put your requirements in, what you're looking for, put up a post, get a couple of sellers to respond to you, narrow it down to like 2 or 3 different designers, and then go ahead and let them assist you with creating your logo. I myself have used Taylor Brands a lot, and Taylor Brands is an online company, and they have software or platform in which you can create your own logo. So what I did was I did a screencast recording, and right now I'm going to show you that screencast recording so you can see me using Taylor Brands to create a logo. So if you decide to use them, you'll be familiar with how their platform works.
So here is the Taylor Brands website, and if you want to create your own logo, or you're looking to create logos for other people, then this is the website that I use. And like I said, it's called Taylor Brands. So up at the top, you have the logo maker, logo ideas, products, blog, and then their about page. And this is what the logo website looks like for Taylor Brands. So you have all these different options. And then how it works is you would just go here to start. So you would put in, I don't know, let's do light bright, because I just saw that. And then you can put in a tagline if you want. Let's put bright with a purpose. We'll just do that. And then you click design. So when you click design, just give it a couple of seconds, less than a minute, and it will give you different options to create your logo. So the next screen says, what are you offering, or what do you intend to offer? So this would be, as you can see, you have your different options. You have physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology and service, or others. So in this case, I'm going to choose physical goods. So you click on physical goods, and if you see down here at the bottom, there is a chat button that you can click on. So just click on that. For the most part, they usually do respond within a couple of hours, so there is a box there for chat. But like I said, we're going to click on physical goods, and then I'm going to click on next. Let's see, I believe it's starting up now. Hopefully it is. Oh, let's try that again. So click on physical good, then next. So in the next screen, you will once again be able to filter a little bit more. So it says enter your industry. So the industry, let's just gonna see, we'll say home decor. So we'll put in home decor. And then if you want to fill this out, it says by telling us more about what you do, we can create better designs for you. So you can put something in like, we sell creative lights for the home. So that will give them a little bit more information, and then you click next. So here you can choose your logo type. So you would select one. So you either can do icon based, so they'll put like a shape to go with your logo, or you can do just name based, and it would just do your company name, or you can do an initial and then it will also do your logo name. So for this one, I think it'll be interesting. I'm going to select icon based. So then here it will ask you either abstract shape, let Taylor create a unique shape for your logo, or you can search for an icon. So for this purpose in the video, I'm going to select abstract shape. So let's see what they create. So the next one says choose 3 styles that you love. So on this screen you can choose the different fonts that they have available. So I'm just going to choose 3. So I'll choose thin, I'll choose masculine, and then I will choose trendy. So let me go here, and now it's designing the perfect logo. And when they design the perfect logo, there will be a shape or an icon in it plus the company name, and it flips through, and here we are. So these are the options that they have created. So you can just click on them. They'll be like right over here to the left. So these are the different options that they have, and if you look right here, then it will show you what it would look like as a Facebook page. And then if you scroll down, as I click on each one, these changes. So you can see what it would look like on a mobile phone, stationery, a cup, just different marketing things that you may have. So those are the different options, and you can change them, you can tweak them however you want. But it's a really neat, quick way to create a logo. So once you decide on which one you're going to select, and I'll just select, let's say, this one. So you can either customize it to do change the color or maybe the fonts. You could do that, and once it pops up, it will give you the options that you have here that they recommend on the side. So I think I'm going to change it to this. So then it changes, and of course it changes on the different marketing tools that they have available as well. And then you just click finish, and then you can either keep editing or say I'm finished, and then it will take you to the next screen. So when you go to the next screen, this is where you'll have your options of what you want to pay as far as your website. So if you want to do professional, it will design business cards and email signature, things like that. Or you can create a website, which will be here, or you can do logo essentials. So I generally do the logo essentials. And then here you will go to start your logo essentials. So I click on start, and then it says you can download your logo files. So if you click on this, then it's going to take you to another screen where you can either download a sample, or you can upgrade and you can download the actual files. So this is where the price comes in. So the prices are reasonable. You have either $3.99, $5.99, or $12.99. And this is if you purchase for like a year and you're paying for the whole year. If you want to go month to month, then it flips. It will be $9.99 a month standard, $19.99, or $49.99. So whatever options you need. For the most part, once you get it downloaded, your high quality logo files, and if you click on it, it'll tell you exactly what those files will consist of. So you'll get your logo in a JPEG, a PNG format. It includes transparent and color backgrounds available to download anytime. So once you get those, what I generally do is I save them in a different file, so I always have them. But I generally go with this package right here because that is generally what I need. If I design any type of shirts or anything, it still works. I do know some people like the vector files because they're more like precise and they're a little bit more detailed, but I would only need that like if I was having a custom shirt design. But for the most part, everything that comes in this $9.99 package will be good. So that's it. I will include a link to Taylor Brands for you to click on, and like I said, this is a really neat site, easy to use, easy to navigate, and you can design your own logo.
Hopefully that video from me showing you how Taylor Brands works was some help to you. Like I said, it's a very easy to use software, very economical if you can't afford to hire someone. So check them out. I will leave my affiliate link in the description box for Taylor Brands, so you can click on that. They may be offering some type of discount, or if you just want to click on my affiliate link to support me being an affiliate with Taylor Brands, go ahead and do that. I'll leave it in the description box. Now that we've been through the process of creating a logo, let me know in the comments if you started that process to create your logo, what your thoughts are, and if you've already created it, how do you like your logo so far? Let me know in the comments. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day, guys. Bye.